Pete here with the Small Business Resource Center and the Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel with a very important update with Pfizer and the coronavirus vaccine. So, there's my emergency because it's cold and flu season. Thursday, Pfizer announced that they got their, the FDA approved that they voted to approve Pfizer's FDA emergency use authorization. Despite the fact at 5:40 that they approved it, they had to go through a process of paperwork or certification, I'm not 100% sure, to officially approve it. The stock dipped, no idea why, and sometimes when this happens, I always say it's completely market manipulation. That's what I've told a lot of people. They got approved and the stock goes down. This is the same thing that happened when they announced that they were approved in England. The stock dipped. Friday at around 9 or 9:30, the FDA had another little meeting and they said they formally approved Pfizer vaccine. It's certified for emergency use authorization. Monday's the day and they are shipping the vaccine. So that's the short story. But the question now is what's going to happen to the stock? Well, when you're looking at Wall Street, a lot of estimates are saying it's worth 42 to 52, depending upon where you look. And I'm like, that's way too low. So when I'm saying that's way too low and how am I coming up with this, that's the question. Well, Pfizer basically is in a very unique position that no other stock in the entire world has ever been at. So when I'm explaining this, I want to explain Tesla. Tesla actually has been doing a lot of things that are very unique. If you had your money in Tesla probably 4 or 5 months ago to now, you probably have around 10 times your money because it went up, then it split, and then it's gone up again. I'm not saying Pfizer's going to split, don't get me wrong there, but people are saying Pfizer's not going to move because it's a large cap stock and they don't move much. So is Tesla. Tesla has 600 billion shares. Pfizer has 500 billion shares. So potentially, I'm going to estimate that there's going to be about a 3-time to maybe 8-time return on whatever the stock price is. And maybe I should backdate that to when it was 36, but somewhere around there, 36 to 40, 3 to 10 times, and it might take a couple months, but I believe it's going to get there. The only thing that could cause that problem, I'm going to put that in another video, but for right now, that's what I'm saying. And the reason why I'm saying that is because their unique position. They're first to market. They also stated they're going to be 1.3 billion in sales. Moderna is stating they could do 500 million sales. The only thing here that's the difference is pricing. The original price for Pfizer is $19.50 for the first 100,000 only in the United States. Now, America is trying to hold Pfizer to that price, and Pfizer's not happy about that. Moderna said they're going to charge $39, and it might be some change per dose. So when you're looking at that dosage price, there's a huge difference. And NBC, I think it was, said that they're estimating Pfizer and Moderna are going to have 38 million in revenue from this combined. I do not agree with that figure because when you're looking at Moderna only, their figure would be higher if they produced all the share or all that they stated they can and sold it. And when you're looking at Pfizer, they could do 1.3 trillion on their own. And so if they're somewhere in the middle, my estimate before, if you saw my other video, was 25 million to 50, I think 2 or 58 billion, excuse me. 25 billion to 58 billion was my estimated sales for Pfizer and BioNTech. So I think my estimate's a little bit closer than theirs and more accurate, and I think this will cause a run because the unique position Pfizer's in is they're first to market, and a lot of people who have a lot of stocks are going to start flooding. So this could go up this week, and then it could go down. And what's going to happen exactly, I can't tell you, because if I knew, I would be like dead on high low. But the one thing I can show you right now is where Pfizer is. Right now, Pfizer is up $2.44. Pre-market, it is $8.51. So $2.44. That's showing up great. I'll try to get a screen capture and post it. But that's pretty good. So that's 6.31% if you owned it Friday, or if you had after hours trading. But the question is, where is it going to go and what could potentially happen? I'm going to put that in another video, and I do have a little stock market warning that I've been talking about, and I'm going to make another video about that probably tomorrow or Wednesday. So if you're new to the channel, thank you for coming back. If you're, hit subscribe if you're new. Sorry, not enough coffee. Smash like for the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe if you want more updates. Blah, 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 blah.